yabbies and everything here. People should do. See, get a track it in. You could stump it down or get deeper.
The wood up here goes in the water.
Track all the yabbies in. It's so sloppy.
You're a city slicker.
I'm half cast.
Not used to being out the bush.
I'm half cast service slicker. Oh, you tape it really. Oh.
Tape? Fucking hell, that word went out in 1840.
You tape them.
And walk out on that log and slip off it. What's the technique here? What's the reason? What you doing that for?
Burley, carp burley. Oh yes.
What you do with the carp?
Cooked it up
How'd you cook it?
in the fire. I'll boil it up. It's got eggs too. It's got eggs, fish eggs.
As it?
Avocado. Look at that. That's good to eat. But you've got to have the right fish.
You should. Why didn't you eat it? It's a waste. Avocado. Is that what it is?
What's it called again?
I don't know.
Something like that. I'm trying to remember.
What's he doing, Bernie? Huh? What's he
All
doing?
the eggs.
Yeah, caviar. Is that what it
Caviar,
is?
that's right. Avocado. Where did I get avocado from?
Avocado.
Avocado. No, no jokes.
Caviar. Yeah. So what sort of fish can you catch with it, do you think?
Just track the shrimps and yabbies here.
Them carp are a bit weird. They eat
Fish
their
will
own,
come here too, you watch.
eat their own self.
They're cannibalism.
They probably don't even know it's like, they just think it's food, eh?
Food, yeah. Look at that. So we'll cook that. The fork.
And are you going to fish from that log?
Probably.
And what will you catch? More carp?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
More carp, more fish.
Oh well, you'll be able to survive.
Yeah. Bush tucker.
Bush tucker, man.
Now look at this. Look how it's
Signing
floating.
off from the Darling River, Australia, on a pleasant afternoon in winter time, 2023.
This is the way to go.